Big Bud is a renowned brand of tractors known for manufacturing some of the world's most influential and potent agricultural machines. These colossal tractors have earned legendary status in the farming community due to their extraordinary size, impressive horsepower, and exceptional capabilities. The story of Big Bud began in the late 1960s, when brothers Robert and Ron Harmon, along with their father, Willie, recognized the need for more efficient and productive farming equipment. They embarked on a mission to create a tractor that could quickly cover vast stretches of land while also delivering incredible power to handle heavy-duty tasks. Their ambition led to the birth of Big Bud. The first Big Bud tractor, the Big Bud 1, was introduced in 1969. It stood out from the competition due to its massive size and power, making it a game-changer in the agricultural industry. The Big Bud 1 boasted an astonishing 760 horsepower, an unprecedented figure at that time. It featured a distinct red and white paint scheme and became an instant sensation among farmers. Big Bud tractors gained further recognition in the 1970s and 1980s when they set several world records for their power and size. The Big Bud 747, introduced in 1977, is the largest tractor ever built. It weighed around 100,000 pounds and was powered by a gigantic 16-cylinder Detroit diesel engine, generating a staggering 1,100 horsepower. This behemoth was an engineering marvel and became an icon of agricultural machinery. These tractors were impressive in power and designed to provide superior traction and efficiency in the field. Their massive size allowed for large fuel tanks and immense pulling capabilities, making them ideal for heavy tillage and earth-moving operations. Big Bud tractors were built with durability and longevity in mind. The frames were constructed using heavy-duty steel to withstand the intense stresses of demanding farming tasks. Despite their immense proportions, Big Bud tractors featured comfortable operator cabs with advanced controls and ergonomic designs, ensuring a pleasant working environment for the farmers. Over the years, Big Bud tractors have evolved and diversified their product lineup to cater to the changing needs of farmers. Different models were introduced, including the Big Bud HN 250, 360/30, and 525/50, each offering unique specifications and capabilities. Although production of Big Bud tractors slowed down in the late 1980s, their legacy lives on, and they remain highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts worldwide. These machines symbolize power and innovation in the agricultural realm, and their impact on the farming industry cannot be overstated. In conclusion, Big Bud tractors are legendary giants in agriculture. With their immense size, groundbreaking power, and exceptional performance, they have left an indelible mark on the history of farming machinery. Big Bud tractors continue to be revered for their extraordinary capabilities and serve as a testament to the remarkable achievements of the Harmon family, who brought these colossal machines to life.